Well, we're gonna do one for our latest EP for Smithy Records.
Ik heb nu wel een bootschoenen aan.
It's called Love Engine.
Ik denk dat we een beetje meer onder het non-oil-vlak moeten gaan staan, want ik heb de hele zaak op worden.
Well, let me tell you about a girl I know. She knows perfectly how to play this door. Was a rope how to win the town, and I thought I came around so easily without the force of love. I met the one by next to the alley. Told me if I could have forever. Well, I'm not very much into the night. I put you stop that you should go. My she's so pretty, now I know why. She broke every single heart in the town. I'm falling in love with those eyes, so then I can tell you why. 'Cause I love and you find her. We wait together to hold those bodies. We were so happy, so I just don't know. When I walked the days, she told me that to take you without any more of all this business done. So maybe go off without the ballast, which could be the soul ending of mine. Well, now I'm trying to fix my head. What's up, street that fall apart? We got issues now from that downtown. Oh my, she's so pretty now, I know why. She broke every single heart in the town. I'm falling in love with those eyes, so then I can tell you why. From love and you borrow. From my love and you borrow.